ओके सो हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ अमन कथानिया एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अगेन। वेल 2 दिन पहले मैंने पेमेंट लिंक का वीडियो डाला था एंड उस वीडियो पे मुझे काफ़ी कमेंट्स आए, काफ़ी लोगों के क्वेश्चंस भी आए। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझसे ये पूछा कि उस टाइम पे क्या करना चाहिए जब हमारे पास पेमेंट लिंक नहीं आया, वो भी 10 दिन हो गए हैं, 1 वीक हो गया है, 15 डेज हो गए हैं और 20 डेज हो गए हैं। Well, I just thought that maybe I should make another video and also share my experience of payment link and how I got the payment link within 6 days. So yes, you heard it, guy. You heard it right, guys. That I got my payment link within 6 days, and but there were few things that I did from my side to expedite the whole process. So yep, let's begin. Well, I got my passport submission request on 5th of March, early morning, which was actually midnight. And then on the very next day, I, raised a form for passport submission process. So I raised the passport submission, web form on 5th of March, which was actually Saturday. And but I was pretty much ready that Sunday won't be any work. So Sunday को मेरे पास तो कुछ आने ही नहीं वाला है। बट प्लस मुझे साथ में ये भी मालूम था कि काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स को पहले से ही इश्यूज फेस हो रहे हैं, सो आई हैव टू बी रेडी एंड आई शुड फाइट इट with the helpline team and everything. So on Monday, what I did, I put up a tweet, and I put up a tweet to VFS Global and VFS Global Care saying that this is my origin country, this is my VFS reference number, this is my country, that this is the country that I want to go, which is Canada, and this is the visa application center, which is New Delhi in my case. सो मंडे निकल गया इसमें एंड ट्यूसडे भी निकल गया क्योंकि इतनी जल्दी तो रिस्पांस नहीं आने वाला था। इट जस्ट एन ऑटोमेटेड रिवर्ट जो ट्विटर पे मुझे मिला, विच इज़ वेरी जेनरिक थिंग। बट देन ऑन वेडनेसडे आई जस्ट थॉट मे बी आई शुड रीट्वीट माई अर्लियर ट्वीट. So I retweeted my previous tweet saying that okay, 48 hours has been passed, but still payment link not received from you guys, and this is my reference number. This is my original country, which is India. This is the country that I want to go, which is Canada, and this is the visa application center, which is New Delhi. Okay, so Monday निकल गया, Tuesday निकल गया, Wednesday को मैंने ये retweet किया. But then I thought that maybe this is not the only thing that I can do to expedite the whole process, because ये हर कोई कर रहा है, right? So I have to do something, different, in the sense that I can reach out to them very directly. So I called them up, and I got totally unlucky because वो जो हेल्पलाइन नंबर है 022 समथिंग स्ट्रिंग एंड ऑल, वो बायोमेट्रिक्स के लिए है, एंड इट्स नॉट समथिंग विच VFS is handling and all. So they suggested that maybe I should drop an email to passport submission and vfshelpline.com. I'll save it over again, passport submission at the rate vfshelpline.com. So the helpline number, and when I reached out to them, they said this whole thing that I should drop them an email. So I dropped an email to passport submission at the rate vfshelpline.com saying that on this date I got the PPR and I filled up the form, and then I have been waiting for good 3 to 4 business days, and I haven't got the payment link, and also saying that this is my reference number, this is the application number, and I also attached my passport submission request PDF, and I also said that this is the visa application center, which is New Delhi. So in the end, I finalized or concluded that email saying that I would request your team to expedite the whole process so that I can go ahead with payment, and then further on with passport submission pickup and then stamping. But I was very much ready and very much prepared that okay, even if I get a reward, it will be an automated reward over that email. So I got the automated reward within 2 or 3 hours only. So I got the automated reward, and then I thought that maybe again I should put up a reminder email, but it should be next day. So मैंने क्या किया, वेडनेसडे को ही मैंने जो रीट्वीट किया था, मैंने करीबन 2 घंटे बाद ये ईमेल डाला, और फिर मैंने थर्सडे को एक और रिमाइंडर ईमेल डाला. सो बेसिकली अब मैंने 4 दिनों में क्या क्या कर दिया, एक ट्वीट डाला, एक रीट्वीट डाला, देन वेडनेसडे को मैंने एक ईमेल डाला, थर्सडे को मैंने एक रिमाइंडर ईमेल डाला. And then I just thought that maybe that's it I could have done from my side to expedite the whole process, or to put up a reminder email and to make them like okay, expedite the whole process, just to give them a heads up. And now surprisingly, the very next day, which was Friday, which was actually yesterday, I just got the payment link at 4, I think it was 4:15 in the evening, and then I got the payment link over the email. I did my payment, and then I got the another email with the receipt, and then got the another email stating that this is the whole process. and these are the documents that you should put up in your package, which is actually passport submission request printout, first thing, courier and SMS form filled and signed, second, third is consent form filled and signed, and then that's it. But what I did, I also thought of attaching my copy of passport, which was a photocopy of passport back and front, just to have a quick heads up to them and include it into the package. So that's all, and then definitely my valid original passport. So I've already created the package, and then on Monday, which will be day after tomorrow, the pickup guy will come and then collect the package. So this is my whole experience with the whole payment link, and in the end, I would like to share that within 5 days. Within 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I got the payment link. I'm not including Sunday because it was a day off. Sunday's weekend, so I'm not including that. And I'm also not including Saturday because I'm not sure whether VFS is working on Saturdays or not. So even if I include Saturday, it will be 6 days, because on Friday I got the payment link. And now I actually believe that the experience that I got with VFS and the payment link and all, it wasn't a bad experience, because there were thousands of students who are still in line for their payment link, and I just did something, maybe, or maybe other students would have also did the same thing, that might have expedited the whole process of their payment link, and then they would have also got the payment link within 6 days. So this is something which you can do from your side to expedite your payment process, payment link, and then further on with your passport submission pickup, and then your stamping and everything. So yep, this is the experience that I wanted to share in this video, and I will share all the templates of the structure of the tweet and also the structure of the email that I put up to passport submission at vfshelpline.com in the description of this video. So I hope that this whole content will be very helpful to you to expedite your own process of payment link. And then you can also put up a tweet and maybe a retweet, or maybe an email, or maybe a reminder email, and then you can also get the payment link within 5 to 6 business days. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, and I hope that you like this video, and please do subscribe my channel, and please do like this video. Do share it with your friends or maybe your connections, so that they can also be they can also get some help on my experience. And yep, and there are dozens of students who have actually done this, which I did, and they also got the payment link within 5 to 6 business days. Yep. So thank you very much. Bye bye.